Today I'm recording a video as explanation for a project that I'm doing for decoding data science. It is just a short project of about 7 to 8 days. However, I already prepared a guideline on how I created this program and how to run it. So I will briefly respond it from this video. First, I will share my screen. As you can see from my screen, there is various files open. First of all, I'll take you to this Excel file. If you look at this Excel file, if you are company with a distributor products that offers solutions to other companies in the market. Let's say you have a client, potential customers that give you a minimum specification for the required laptop, for example. So the product that I'm using is a laptop. Let's say you have this minimum requirement. How can you match it with the product that you're offering based on the product brochure or data sheet that your company has that you wish to offer to your potential customers? How do you measure whether it can fulfill the minimum requirement or otherwise? So you need to prepare a Excel file with this format with at least a minimum specification column, right? And then, in terms of the facility to be prepared, or rather the technology stack, I'm using Streamlit as the front end. As you can see, you will have a user interface to upload, for user to upload the Excel file that I mentioned just now. And back end, we will be running Llama 3.1 8B because that's what my computer is able to run with the capacity available. Of course, if you have a higher end machine, you can run better models with larger parameter models. So there are two models here. One is a Llama 3.1 for as my inference model. The other one is a vision model, but Lava, both running on Olama. And on the back end, I'm storing vector store as well as the data store. The vector store is to facilitate searching by using the semantic embeddings. As for data store, it is storing the actual text and also the table as well as the image that the program managed to separate from the PDF file. The PDF file, which should be either the data sheet or the product brochure. So in order to run this program, you have to make sure that we have Olama running and that it is running the model as required, which is Llama 3.1 8B for the first one. And for the second one would be the vision model, which I will use the command Llama 3, right? Okay, so this is the vision model. Actually, I'm using these newer models rather than Baklava. Hence, I will update this documentation after this video is recorded. Okay, then one more that I need to run is the Redis server. Okay, right? So I already installed the Redis server before this, so I can just run it using Redis server commands. Okay, I cannot run it because I think I already launched it before this, right? So I did run the Redis server on my backend, right? And this brings us to the file that the user need to run. Okay, right. Of course, there are three files that I use during development, but the final file is only this check text spec. Okay, the brief explanation of the file that I used previously is first I use this file to populate the data sheets or the product brochure that I wish to analyze, and also to fill up the minimum requirement or specifications that the user required. And next, I need to evaluate the program, right? So I evaluate the program using this TSFA file. TSFA stands for Technical Specification Fulfillment Application, right? So to run this file, of course, I will prepare the actual response that I required from the program. Okay, for this, it is only a minimum specification, but to run evaluation, I'd rather, other than generated response, I also need to prepare the expected response. Okay, so with the expected response, compared with the generated response, my program will also generate an evaluation score on the fourth column of the Excel file, which will be done by this program, right? However, to run this program, as a normal user, you just need to run this command. You do not have to refer to these two files that are used in the development stage by the developer. Right, so I will now show how to run this program using the Streamlit command. Of course, bear in mind, and you need to also set up the proper environment. I'm using the Python 3.10, 14, right? So I will need to launch the environment first, which I've already activated the environment. And I can just run this Streamlit command by using Streamlit run check tech, right? And the command is run. There will be a user interface shown in front of your browser, and you have to upload a file. In this case, is any arbitrary Excel file, as long as you have minimum specification. Take note that the other column, namely generated response, is not filled up yet, right? Because this shows the original file that the user upload, right? In order to process it, the program is running right now. As soon as you upload the file and fulfill the requirement, the program will be running and process the file. When it is finished, and a download button will be prepared where you will be able to download a process Excel file, and with the generated response column fill up for you, right? So briefly, that's what the program do. So this program I've tested with this about 10 specification or 11 specification. It will take about less than 2 minutes to execute. And after it's executed, it will be in this form where you're able to click the downloaded Excel file, and the file will be downloaded in your chosen folder. And to show you the sample of the downloaded file, you basically is the file that the user uploaded, and with the generated response fill up for us, right? So basically that's what the program does. So I hope it is clear for everyone. If there is any details that you like to refer, you can refer to my GitHub page where the code is available there, right? Thank you very much.